Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to disable the camera on Zoom. So let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app and make sure you are signed in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and from the drop down menu, select Settings. Then from the list on the left, select Video. Here you'll see a checkbox that says turn off my video when joining a meeting. Just tick that box and Zoom will keep your camera off whenever you enter a meeting. If you want to go one step further and disable the camera completely from your Windows setting, press Windows plus I to open the settings panel. Go to Privacy, then click on Camera under the App Permission section. Here, you can toggle off camera access entirely or block it just for the Zoom app. And that's it. Now you know how to disable the camera on Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.